Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm back in Stonewater, Deer Horton community that's just popping up over here in Cape Coral. And I want to show you what's going on here. You can see there's a lot of homes being built. And I'm also going to show you today the model home, the sales office, okay? The sales office is the Delray floor plan, okay? It's a very nice floor plan. It's 2,034 square feet under AC, 3 bedrooms, flex, 2 bath, and 2-car garage. Okay, as you can see, it's already done. Last video that I did, it was still needed some touch-ups, but they called me up and they told me that it's available, that they already finished the whole inside and it looks great. Okay, so let's go inside and take a look at it. I really like the front. Check out those bricks, very nice. Also, when you look on the top, there it goes. You can see the bricks up there. It's very nice. Okay, so you can see they're 8-foot doors. Okay, this is the model, so it's turned into an office. So the rooms are offices, and the bathroom, it's a commercial bathroom. So just giving you a heads up. Okay, you come in. You're welcome with this nice, beautiful entrance. Okay, over here to your right, you will have the bathroom. Like I told you before, it's a model, so you have a commercial bathroom here. You're missing the shower and a lot of things here. Okay, so over here, will be bedroom number 1. Okay, let me stay over here so you can visualize the size. And there's the closet. And over here, okay, it's bedroom number 2. Say hi. Okay, and over here you got your closet. Okay, and you keep moving. Check out the 8-foot doors, how nice they are. Huh? Check that out. Nice. Okay, over here is your double car garage. Turn on the light over here. Here's the golf cart that takes you around. Okay. Right here you get your AC. You got a 3-ton 14-seater carrier. Okay. Over here is your other room. Okay, this could be also an office, or this could be like the flex room they were talking that said at the beginning. That's what the brochure says. It says 3 bedrooms plus flex. This might be the flex room. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's keep going. Over here's your laundry. And over here's where all the cable and electronics goes. Let me see if I can open it. I always like to show this. Check this out. Where your Wi-Fi or anything takes over here. It's nice. I love new homes that they have this. Over here you also have your hookup for your sink. These are all the different colors they have for your kitchen cabinets and combinations. Okay, and here's what everybody wanted to look at, the beautiful kitchen. Check it out. Very nice. Let's walk over here, show you the pantry. Check it out. Nice, humongous pantry. Oh, check out the stainless steel appliances. Granite countertop. Very nice design here. I really like this model homes. I'm gonna do a couple more model homes. I'm gonna start doing a lot of model homes this year, so you guys get to see what latest things that's going on in home decoration. So I got a lot of you guys that enjoy looking at the different layouts and how the furniture goes with the layout. Check it out. Can you see yourself living in a house like this, huh? So over here you're in the master bedroom. And check out the beautiful view that this room has towards the fountain. A lot of the homes in this community will have a lake behind you. So, and this is the smallest one they got. It's a really small lake. The other lakes are very humongous big lakes. So, for Florida, but okay, let's look at this room. Check out how well furnished it is. Okay, let's move over to the master bathroom over here. When you come in, you have closet on your left. Nice big closet. And you have another closet to your right. A little smaller, huh? I guess for who this one is, huh? Okay, let's keep going over here. Check out the bathroom. Nice, huh? And over here you got your shower. And then here you got your water closet. Okay. And check out the switch. I've been talking about it in my other videos. Look at the new switch. This is probably where we're gonna get some. Nice. Something else that this nice home offers you is a nice size Lanai. I'll go outside and show you. Check it out. It's nice and big. And far you can see all the new construction, everything that's being built. There's a lot of different models. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start, I created a web page where I'm gonna start putting all the information of the homes that are available for sale, because some of these are already being built. There's spec homes and they're being built already, and there's a list of them that are available. So if you go on the link below, it'll show you all the homes that are available for sale that they're building right now, okay? So on that web page, I'm gonna try to start adding other things that are happening in the community. So, so maybe, you know, if you like what you see, just save the page. Also, I'm gonna add a button where you can submit if you want to stay in touch with this community. So every time I get new homes that are, you know, the builder is putting on the system, I can actually send them to you as soon as any new releases come out, okay? So feel free to go to that link below and submit your information, and as soon as anything comes up, and what you saw on the list, there's not enough homes for you at that time, when they release the next stage, I'll let you know, and that way you can see what's available and what the prices are. Okay, this is Stonewater in Cape Coral. So in case you're looking for the first time in my videos. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to stay in touch with what's going on in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida, feel free to hit that subscribe button. And also remember, if you're looking for a new construction or a resale property over here in Southwest Florida, feel free to contact us. You can call us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been doing real estate in Southwest Florida for over 20 years, so we would love to help you. So sending off from Stonewater in Cape Coral, Florida. On to the next video.